The city of Manchester, located in the heart of England, is a vibrant and dynamic place offering a rich mix of history, culture, and modernity. As one of the largest cities in the UK, Manchester has become a centre of commerce, education, sport, and tourism. Manchester's cityscape is characterized by a mix of architectural styles, from historic buildings to modern structures. From the impressive Manchester Town Hall to the stunning Beetham Tower, the city's panorama is a testament to the evolution over time. Whether you are visiting for leisure or business, Manchester offers a variety of accommodation options, from luxury hotels to budget hostels. A well-developed transportation system makes it easy for travelers to explore not only Manchester but also other surrounding areas. In conclusion, Manchester is an exciting mix of history, culture, and entertainment that attracts travelers from all walks of life. With its enchanting landscapes and diverse travel and tourism offerings, it continues to be a top choice for those looking for a busy and interesting trip.